कोई सेवायुक्त किसी नैतिक अक्षमता के आपराधिक अभियोग में गिरफ्तार किया जाता है एवं उसे 48 घंटे से अधिक अवधि के लिए निरुद्ध किया जाता है या उसके विरुद्ध किसी न्यायालय में बैंक की अनुमति से चालान प्रस्तुत किया जाता है, तो दंड आरोपित करने के लिए सक्षम प्राधिकारी गिरफ्तारी की तारीख से उसके निलंबन का तथा निलंबन की कालावधि के दौरान इन नियमों के अधीन निलंबन भत्ते को भुगतान का आदेश पारित कर सकेगा। May it please the honorable court lords. Lords, the private respondent who was the writ petitioner before the learned single judge, Lord, he was arraigned as an accused by the learned trial court, wherein application under section 319 of CRPC was allowed, my lord. I am the employer, Lord. Consequent thereto, my lord, I issued his suspension order. He challenged that suspension order before the learned single judge, my lord. That petition has been allowed. So my suspension order has been issued by me has been set aside. Now, Lord,
Why did we summon the record?
Milord, your lordship wanted to see one of the defense of the respondent was that there is a departmental inquiry going on against him for quite some time. So your lordship had asked the status. I had told that the DE was pending. So your lordship said that your lordship would like to see the original record. I've got the record, and from the record it appears, my lord, that the employee has not been cooperating. My lord, he has not been appearing, which is the reason why that the DE has been pending for quite some time. Our first argument, my lord, before the learned single judge was that of availability of alternative remedy, my lords. That it's a dispute between a cooperative society and its employee, and it has to go before the registrar cooperative society under section 55(2). Now, to that, their response was that registrar was himself a member of the committee who took the decision to suspend the employee. So, in alternative argument, we took that under section 77(14), a revision lies before the tribunal. That remedy was available to them. On merits, they've been stating that there is a requirement for permission for presenting challan. So there's a 2023 judgment, my lord, which says that if charges are under IPC, bank employees don't fall within the definition of public servant, and hence there is no requirement for challan. It's only if they are charged under the PC Act that sanction for prosecution will be required from the employer, not if charges are solely under the IPC. He is charged only under IPC, my lord, by the learned trial court. His quashing petition has been dismissed by this honorable court. His challenge to the charges framed has already been dismissed by this honorable court, my lord. Now, our apprehension is that, my lord, we are a bank. Everything, lord, relies on the public confidence. If our head is a person who's charged in a criminal case, then, lord, public confidence gets eroded, my lord.
The court has held that there is no sanction for prosecution.
Yes.
There's no sanction.
There is no sanction because no one asked us, my lord. The police never came to us. Initially, he was not charged. The complainant filed an application under 319. That application was allowed by the learned trial court, and straight away he was arraigned as an accused.
Which is clause 51.1 service rule?
I have filed along with my reflection.
With the writ annexure?
Jim.
P3.
P3.
All right, let's say 51.1. Just read 51.1.
यदि कोई सेवायुक्त किसी नैतिक अक्षमता के आपराधिक अभियोग में गिरफ्तार किया जाता है एवं उसे 48 घंटे से अधिक अवधि के लिए निरुद्ध किया जाता है या उसके विरुद्ध किसी न्यायालय में बैंक की अनुमति से चालान प्रस्तुत किया जाता है, तो दंड आरोपित करने के लिए सक्षम प्राधिकारी गिरफ्तारी की तारीख से उसके निलंबन का तथा निलंबन की कालावधि के दौरान इन नियमों के अधीन निलंबन भत्ते को भुगतान का आदेश पारित कर सकेगा। बैंक की अनुमति के बिना चालान प्रस्तुत किए जाने पर सेवायुक्त के विरुद्ध कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की जाएगी। आपराधिक मुकदमे को निर्णय के पश्चात सेवायुक्त को मूल वेतन तथा भत्तों का निर्णय के अनुसार विनिश्चय पारित निर्णय के अनुसार किया जाएगा तथा यह भी विनिश्चय किया जाएगा कि निलंबन की कालावधि के दौरान उसे कर्तव्य पर या उसका अवकाश पर माना जाएगा। सेवायुक्त को उसके विरुद्ध लगाए गए समस्त आरोपों में दोषी न पाए जाने पर निलंबन की कालावधि के लिए अनुज्ञेय संपूर्ण मूल वेतन तथा भत्तों के भुगतान एवं निलंबन की कालावधि के दौरान कर्तव्य पर माने जाने के संबंध में विचार किया जा सकेगा। Now, there is also a provision of 52.1.1.
Mr. Lala,
Lord,
the sanction is for prosecution. How is it relevant for suspension?
Lord, kindly appreciate. My learned friend has argued is not only.
It's not even argued. We were trying to appreciate what is the controversy.
Lord, the
You see, the person is placed under suspension. And the court quashes the suspension solely on the ground that there is no sanction for prosecution.
It's not solely on that. Therefore,
please see paragraph 26 of the
Lord, I'll two things for them. First of all, Lord, they said that there is a DE pending against the petitioner while he was posted at Raising. At present, he is posted at Kharwan. It is almost 10 years have passed. The DE is not pending because of the lapse of the petitioner. They default, they have not, your lordships can also.
No,
say.
so
What is coming to-
where is the finding by the court that because there is lethargy on the part of
No,
the,
that's not the point. What has been happening, Lord, I'll just explain what the learned single judge has said, Lord, that is on record, Lord. I'll read that part of the order, but they made two submissions. First submission was that there is a DE going on against a person and therefore we are placing him under suspension. The honorable single judge discarded.
was he arrested?
No, Lord. What they're saying.
Let's look at,
Cannot make permit me only 2 minutes, Lord.
1 second, let's look at the relevant rule of suspension. 51,
Yes, but I filed 51.
51.
My lord, may kindly see the order of suspension. They did not suspend me under 51. They have suspended me under 52, saying that it's a that provision, my lord, is. My lord, may kindly see order of suspension, Lord.
Yes.
Ji, Lord. In power under section 52, they have suspended me.
Where is the order of suspension?
That is an extra P1, Lord. Second last param, Lord, 52.1.1. And 52.1.1 is simpliciter. If there is some misconduct against you, some TE is going on, you can be suspended. So this was their stand initially. That because of criminal case, we are not suspending him. We are suspending him because this learned single judge discarded this point that from 10 years this person is working. He has worked under different branches as CEO. Now when he is in after 10 years.
52.1.1 complete rule is not here.
52,
I have uploaded that in reference, your lordship. I just have
also, Lord, along with the
service rules file. I've uploaded it's internal page 15.
52 point lordships have got not.
Yes.
ऐसा सेवायुक्त जो बैंक के सेवा नियमों, बैंक के आचरण नियमों और लिखित नियमों की विपरीत कृत्य करने अथवा अन्य अनियमितता करने के तथ्य बैंक प्रबंधन के संज्ञान में आने पर प्रथम दृष्टया दोषी पाया जाता है तो उसे बैंक प्रबंधन द्वारा निलंबित किया जा सकेगा। ऐसा सेवायुक्त जिसके विरुद्ध प्रमुख कदाचार मेजर मिसकंडक्ट की कार्रवाई की जा रही है, जांच के लंबित रहते दौरान भी निलंबन के लिए उपयुक्त आधार एवं कारण पाए जाने पर निलंबित किया जा सकेगा। निलंबन का ऐसा आदेश लिखित में होगा तथा वह सेवायुक्त को व्यक्तिगत रूप से या रजिस्ट्रेटर डाक से या नियमों के विहित किसी अन्य तरीके से प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा। So note, this was the sole reason they assigned while they passed the order. The learned single judge have very specifically defined, not that after 10 years, what was the occasion for you to suspend the person? Only because some application by some private person has been filed before the trial court in a pending criminal case on the basis of the same allegations, wherein that application has come and on that basis you have done.
We'll list it for consideration on some day.
Lord.
Take down. List for consideration in week commencing 5th May. Relevant record shall be kept. Relevant record has been produced by the officers. Same shall also be kept available on the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
So he may be directed to participate in the inquiry, which is awaiting inquiry.
Is there a stay?
No, there's no stay. There was initially a stay, it got
The
vacated.
suspension has been quashed. D is not been
D.
quashed.
Minutes.
So he will participate, of course.
Grateful.